Hi Pash. So this issue I noticed on live, and the issue is basically I received an email for the task discussion, and I'm navigating using this link to the task. So in this URL we have this double slash after the host, and then followed by the rest of the parameters. And now if I try to navigate to the buzz post from this page, it is giving 404 page not found. Yeah, but if I follow this path, and now if I try to navigate, it is showing correct buzz post page. Yeah, so this is happening if I navigate from the email to the task info page, and then I try to navigate to the buzz post. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.